Hi everyone, welcome back to Chat Mastery. I'm Simran, a data analyst, and I work on transforming raw data into actionable business insights every day. In today's episode, we are looking at a visual that's clean, powerful, and inspired by consulting leaders, the stack bar chart. It is often used to tell multidimensional stories in a single visual. Let's dive into when and how to use it effectively in your own analysis. Whether you're working with financial data, survey results, or sales performance, this chart helps break down parts of a whole across different categories. What is a stacked bar chart? A stacked bar chart displays data segmented into different categories, with each bar split into segments representing subcategories or components. The total length of the bar shows the overall value, and the segments inside it shows how the value is distributed. Why it is necessary or useful? First, it helps compare totals and distribution side by side. Second, perfect when you want to see both overall trends and internal breakdowns at once. And at last, makes multi-dimensional data more readable than multiple separate bar charts. Now let's see few key points to remember while creating a stack bar chart. First is data structure. One column for categories, that is months or region, and second, several columns for series, that is product lines or teams. Limit the number of segments. Too many stacks make it hard to read. Use contrasting yet consistent colors for visual clarity. Label clearly. Add data labels or a well placed legends. Avoid 3D effects, they distort readability. Prefer horizontal bars when category names are long. What does a stacked bar chart represent? It represents how a total is divided into parts across categories. It also shows proportions plus overall performance in a single view and highlights dominant segments and comparative distributions. Why it is used in analysis? It helps in trend analysis where multiple variables contribute to a same metric. It also makes it easier to spot patterns. Example, which product consistently contributes more or which area lags behind. Often used in financial reports, marketing performance, HR data like gender or role based distribution. Now let's see how to create this bar chart. Select the whole data, go on to the Insert tab and select 100% stacked column. Now let's remove the chart title, the legends, and the grid lines. Now let's add the data labels as done in the original chart for each segment. Now, as we can see in the original chart, Whiteman's segment is at the bottom, whereas in our graph it is at the top. So now let's reverse the axis. Now let's delete both the axes and change the color of each segment as per the original graph. Now to add this 100% limit, we'll go on to the Insert tab and then insert a shape, and for the 100% we'll add a text box. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite use case for stacked bar charts. Next up, we'll tackle another powerful visualization. Stay tuned for more in Chart Mastery series.